Online Tools, XSL Transformer, XSLT. You will get two input boxes, one for XML code and other for XSL code. Enter or paste the XML or XSL code into input text box editor. Then click on Transform XML button. Within a second you will get the result displayed beneath the Transform XML button. Further, you can easily share, download and copy the result. The button Clear helps you to clear the page and make it available for the next input. For more awesome tools, please visit eternitech.com/online tools.